If you're working in tech, and especially in quality assurance, you already know things are moving at lightning speed. It really makes you wonder, right? What does the future of my career actually look like? Well, today, we're going to map it out. We're diving into a roadmap that takes you way beyond the world of traditional testing and opens up 8 incredible, future-proof roles you might have never even thought of. And that's the big question, isn't it? It's the one that's on everybody's mind. With AI and automation changing the game almost daily, it's so important to think not just about the job you have now, but where you're headed. So stick with me because we're about to uncover some seriously powerful answers. So here's our game plan. First, we're going to get a handle on the bigger picture, this constantly changing tech landscape. Then, and this is the fun part, we'll uncover the hidden superpowers you already have as a QA pro. From there, we'll explore 8 amazing career paths. And finally, we'll wrap it all up with a solid action plan to make your career totally future-proof. Okay, first things first, we need to understand the world we're in. The tech landscape isn't just shifting a little bit, it's completely reinventing itself. And in a world like that, your single greatest asset isn't just one skill. It's your ability to adapt. I mean, just think about it for a second. The tools, the frameworks, even the big ideas that were seen as revolutionary just a few years back, a lot of them are just standard practice now, or maybe even on their way out. For anyone in QA, this is huge. It means the job title of tester is really just your starting point. The real opportunity is in seeing where all your incredible skills can take you next. So, how in the world do you adapt to all that change? Well, here's the good news. You are already equipped with everything you need. Seriously. We're about to reframe your QA skills not as just items on a resume, but as the powerful, transferable superpowers they really are. See, the QA skill set is so much more than just finding bugs. It's this amazing combination of being able to see the giant forest and the individual trees. It's about understanding how systems are supposed to work, and more importantly, all the creative ways they can break. And it's about explaining really complex problems to a bunch of different teams. That mix is exactly what makes you a valuable player anywhere in tech. And this right here is your toolkit of superpowers. Your analytical thinking lets you break down the most complicated systems. Your problem-solving skills mean you don't just find problems, you find solutions. That attention to detail, it's legendary. And your ability to communicate and collaborate with literally everyone, from devs to product managers, is the secret sauce that holds projects together. These aren't just QA skills, they're leadership skills in disguise. All right, here we go. This is the main event. Now that we know what your superpowers are, let's look at all the cool places they can take you. We are about to explore 8 super exciting, maybe even unexpected, career paths that you are perfectly positioned to jump into. Just take a second and look at this list. What an incredible range of options. You've got the super technical roles like DevOps and AI specialist, you've got strategic roles like product manager, and you've got communication-focused roles like technical writer. This just proves it. Your QA background isn't a box, it's a launch pad. Let's break these down. Okay, so if you're the kind of person who loves getting into the weeds of how systems are built, this slide is for you. As a DevOps engineer, your experience with automation and understanding how all the pieces fit together is a perfect match. A security analyst? You've literally been trained to think like an attacker, always hunting for those weak spots. And in the new world of AI and machine learning, your core testing discipline is absolutely essential to make sure these new models are actually safe and reliable. But maybe you're more fascinated by the why behind it all. As a product manager, you can take that experience you have of being the user's biggest advocate and use it to shape the product from day one. Or as a business analyst, you're the perfect person to translate what the business needs into what the engineers can actually build. And that analytical mind of yours, the one that's so good at looking at test results, that is a direct path to becoming a data analyst, finding insights that steer the whole company. And we can't forget about the power of clear communication. I mean, if you're good at writing a bug report that is clear, concise, and easy to understand, you're already a technical writer. It's a natural next step. And think about it. Who understands a product's quirks and pain points better than someone in QA? As a customer success manager, you can use that deep knowledge to help customers and be a true champion for them. So, you've seen all these possibilities, and the big question is probably, okay, this is awesome, but how do I actually get there? Well, this last section is your personal action plan. This is how you take control and start building that future starting right now. And it's not as complicated as it might seem. This roadmap really comes down to 5 key things. 1.
never stop learning. Always stay curious. 2, start diversifying your skills. Pick one of those areas we talked about and dip your toes in. 3, network. Talk to people who are already in those roles. 4, build something. Personal projects are the best way to show what you can do. And finally, if it makes sense, get certified to make it official.
I absolutely love this quote because it just hits the nail on the head. This isn't about running away from QA. It's about expanding from it. Your skills aren't just useful, they are absolutely essential to the future of technology. You are in the perfect position to be a leader, no matter which path you choose.
So I'll leave you with this final thought. It's not really about what job you're going to find. It's about what role you are going to shape for yourself. With your unique superpowers, the possibilities are pretty much endless. The only real question is, which new territory are you going to explore first?